The side hustle trap, why 80 million Americans are still stuck. Did you know more than 80 million Americans have a side hustle in 2025? That's nearly 1 in 3 adults. At first, that sounds empowering, but here's the brutal truth. Most people with 2 or 3 side hustles are more tired, more broke, and more stressed than they were ever before. I know because I was there. At 70 years old, I was juggling odd projects, filling out surveys, trying to flip items online, just chasing pennies while drowning in debt. Maybe you can relate. Have you ever started a side hustle and realized the time you put in wasn't worth the money you got back? Ever? The problem isn't effort, it's direction. Most side hustles are designed to supplement your job, not replace it. And if you're already burnt out, adding more to your plate isn't freedom, it's another treadmill. The shift for me came when I stopped chasing 5 little hustles and focused on one proven path, one blueprint, something that actually scaled without stealing all my hours throughout a day. If you feel stuck, watch my video, Is Your Job Safe in 2025? It connects perfectly with this one, goes deeper into why old systems don't protect us anymore. And if you want to see what I follow today, I'll leave a link below to explore. Don't confuse being busy with being free. Any questions? Send me an email. I'm here to answer each and every one.